Yo, this is another straight to the point tutorial, this time how to remove GT86 interior trims. First of all, I'm going to remove the passenger side panel. This can be done by simply prying it up. I suggest using something wide and flat so you don't damage the surrounding dashboard. Once the first panel's up, you can get your fingers underneath the piece around the head unit and this pries up quite easily. When you come to refit these panels, you simply put them back in position starting with the head unit surround and simply pushing them back into place. Same story when removing the air vents. These just need to be gently pried out as well, again using something wide and flat so you don't damage the area around, and these will just slide straight out. To remove the silver trim from the vent, you need to gently lift up the 3 tabs and this will allow the first section to pop off. To remove the silver piece, you just need to gently poke through all of the silver tabs. Now for the gear gator surround, you need to firmly grip one side of it and just pull it up. Do the same on the other side and then the whole thing will just pull free with a little bit of force. If you look underneath it, there's 4 screws. These screws secure the gear lever gator and you'll need to unplug the switches. When it comes to refitting, you just need to place it over and firmly press down and it will slot back into place. To remove the door handle trims, you need to start at the bottom. Trim tools are ideal for this, but slide in something that is not going to cause damage to the surrounding area. Gently lift up and you can pivot it at the top point and it will release. When refitting, put the top tab in first and then the bottom will just simply push into place. These are commonly removed trims because people like to wrap or paint them to colour code them to the car. If you want to see how I wrap my interior trims, check out my channel and don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.